We are in the water room for Monarch Woods. Howdy, y'all. I am Jordan Smith. I'm a design builder with Smith House Company, and we designed Monarch Woods from the ground up to be integrated with nature. And the water on this property was priority for the homeowners. They wanted the water to bring nature in. They wanted to be able to capture the rainwater off their roof to put into the pond to be able to take back in case they needed to, so they have a large reservoir. There was all this thought around water, and this central water room is where it all comes in. So looking over here at this manifold, it doesn't look like much. It's just a bunch of pipes going outside through the floor. But a couple of things about these pipes. One, they go out into the ground and they are air sealed as they go out into the ground beyond. This whole space blew a 0.055 CFM per square foot of envelope, passive levels worth of low air exchange. It's pretty incredible. So we made sure that we got the air sealing right there. We have water coming in from the wells. We have water going out to the pond, so we can fill up the pond in drought to keep that wildlife preserve happening. We're able to run the well and fill up the pond. We can also reverse that. We can pull water from the pond into our system, and that water would not be drinkable normally, except for we've got the whole thing running through an RO system. So first step, once it comes out of the well, we hit a couple of filters. We have I believe this is a 10 micron and a 5 micron, and this just gets rid of any of our sand and any of our particles. 25 and 5 gets rid of any of our particles before this moves on to the RO system. This is from US Water Systems. It's just a standard filter system. I prefer the clear. You have to spend a few $100s more, but if you get the clear, you're able to see your sediment. So if you have sandy water coming in from your well, you're able to see that without taking this all the way apart. Either way, really easy to maintenance. Then it comes around the wall and comes into our reverse osmosis RO system. Now, every bit of this apartment, barn, and house interior is RO. Exterior, we have an irrigation line right here with our vacuum brake. We have irrigation going out before the RO. So anything that we do with hose bibs, I don't put hose bibs through the wall. I think that's dumb. Why take inside water that's all treated, whether you do RO or not? Why take it from the inside to the outside? Now you have to think about freezing too, and then you have to think about when something goes wrong, how do you get into the wall, blah, blah, blah. Just don't do it. It's dumb. Air sealing, don't do it. Don't put hose bibs on your house. Put them outside the house. Anyway, that's what we did. We ran the hose bibs outside the house. Inside the house, everything is RO. Now, if you know anything about reverse osmosis, you know that it uses a very fine filtration system to actually pull most of the dissolved solids out of the water. So it is a slightly acidic water. It's not going to be a pH neutral or a pH balanced water. It is going to be an acidic water.